Today in this video, you will learn 9 Adobe Illustrator tips every beginner should know. Please subscribe to the channel so that I can monetize my channel. The first one is you can turn off these annoying pop-ups. These are helpful when you are first time user, but after a while you will definitely have to turn off these. So go to Edit menu, Preferences and General. Here turn off this Show Rich Tool Tips option. Make sure that this Show Tool Tips option is checked. Click OK. So you can see there is no pop-up. Only simple tool tips are showing. The next tip is if you want to draw a perfect circle with exact width and height, then press and hold Shift key on your keyboard. By using Shift key, you will get the exact circle shape in all angles. The next tip is you can change the size of these handles. If you think the default size of these handles is very small, then you can increase the size. Simply press Ctrl K, go to Selection and Anchor Display option. Here move the slider to right side to increase the size. Click OK. You can see now we have a bigger handle to work easily. The next tip is if you go to Transform panel here or go to Window, choose Transform. This Transform panel will appear. In this panel, you can see the width and height of the selected object. You can see as we have an exact circle, so our shape has 296 pixel width and height. So first of all, click this link icon to activate this. Now if I will change the width, height will automatically change according to the width. Now if I want to increase or decrease the size of circle, I can simply use plus, minus, multiply and divide option to adjust the size. This is a very important tip if you are working on a complex design. The next tip is mostly beginners use this copy paste option to duplicate objects. While you can simply press and hold the Alt key to duplicate these within a second. The next tip is related to the previous one. When pressing the Alt key, if you also press and hold the Shift key, then you can duplicate a shape in vertical, horizontal and 45 angle. The next tip is you can choose the complementary color of a shape by going to Fill option, choose Color Mixer. Click menu icon and choose Complementary Color. Complementary colors are the opposite colors which create the strongest contrast for these two colors. The next tip is if you go to Window, Pathfinder, if I simply click these options, you can see our shape is created as we want. If I choose the same option with Alt key, you can see I have the same shape, but there is a big difference. This shape is cut from its original shape and I cannot edit this shape cutting, while this is the non-destructive version of the same shape. I am still able to edit the cutting pattern of this shape. This is a very important tip if you are working on a complex design. The last tip is if I have a shape. Now if I choose this Draw Inside option, you can see this box is showing that now all the work will be created inside this shape. Basically, this option is similar to Clipping Mask option in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to learn about Clipping Mask option, you can watch the complete tutorial. Link is in the description and I button. So I hope you have learned 9 Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks every beginner should know. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.